Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set RSI alerts on TradingView. First, open your desired trading chart on TradingView. Next, add the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, indicator to your chart. You can find this in the Indicators menu. Once the RSI is on your chart, locate the small alert icon, which often looks like a bell. Clicking this icon is the initial step to creating your custom alert. This process is straightforward and helps you stay informed about market movements. Now, let's customize your alert conditions. In the Alert Creation window, select the RSI indicator as the specific condition you want to monitor. You'll then define the values that trigger the alert. For instance, you might set a crossing value of 70 to signal an overbought condition, indicating a potential reversal. Conversely, define a second crossing value, perhaps 30, to alert you to an oversold market. This precise configuration ensures you receive notifications exactly when market conditions meet your criteria. Next, you'll decide on the alert's frequency and how you wish to receive notifications. Consider how often you want the alert to trigger. For example, once per bar close is a common setting to avoid excessive alerts. Then, select your preferred notification methods. TradingView offers options like email, pop-up messages, or even webhook URLs. Finally, give your alert a clear, descriptive name. This helps you easily identify and manage it later among your other active alerts. Finally, let's discuss managing your newly created RSI alerts. TradingView provides a dedicated alerts panel where you can view all your active alerts in one convenient location. From this panel, you have full control to easily edit any existing alert, perhaps adjusting its values or frequency. You can also delete alerts that are no longer relevant. Furthermore, the platform keeps a comprehensive alert log, allowing you to review past triggers and analyze their effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.